I want to talk a little bit today about something that you've heard about, not so much in Louisiana, but around the country, and I think most of the early stories came out of New York City. But according to the Centers for Disease Control, MISC, which is the acronym for Multisystem Inflammatory Syndrome in children, is something that is real, and it's happening around the country, and it's happening here in Louisiana. Obviously, like its name would indicate, it's a condition in children where different body parts can become inflamed, including the heart, the lungs, the kidneys, brain, skin, eyes, gastrointestinal organs. And we don't yet know exactly what causes it, but we know there is a relationship to the virus with these children, that they've had it or that they've been in contact with someone who actually had COVID-19 disease. And it can be serious and it can be deadly. But most children who are diagnosed with this condition do get better with appropriate medical care. And the definition of an MISC case, the individual has to be under the age of 21 with a fever, evidence of inflammation, and severe illness involving more than 2 organs that requires hospitalization, and no other plausible diagnosis, and then a positive COVID-19 test or exposure to a confirmed case within the 4 weeks prior to the onset of symptoms. So when we talk about this particular syndrome, that's what we're talking about. I do want you to know it's in Louisiana, and that's why the Department of Health has shared 2 of what they call health alerts to all healthcare providers across the state, first on May the 9th and then again on May the 15th. These alerts raise awareness of MISC and urge providers who've cared for or are caring for currently patients younger than 21 years of age and meeting these criteria to immediately report them to the Office of Public Health Infectious Disease Epidemiology team. We can tell you that we have 13 confirmed cases of MISC across the state of Louisiana and 1 MISC-related death. To respect the privacy of the young person and that person's family, obviously we're not going to share any additional details at this time. Of the 13 confirmed cases, the range in age is from 0 to 19. The median age is 11. 6 of the patients are female, 7 are male. 4 are hospitalized, 8 have been discharged. In terms of race, 7 are black, 3 are white, and 3 fit in the other category. In terms of ethnicity, 2 are Hispanic and 11 are non-Hispanic. For context, we know that we have had 880 cases tested of COVID-19 in individuals who were 18 years old and younger. The Department of Health will report this data weekly on Mondays in its coronavirus webpage. And if we have more updates that need to be brought to your attention, I will relay them here as well at our press conferences. The website that you can get this information is ldh.la.gov. Finally, you may have seen that the Department of Revenue, under Secretary Kimberly Robinson, is waiving penalties for March and April